Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So this time I would like to share you what to know about the adaptive color tone feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and how you can enable it. The same as another adaptive features in this phone, adaptive color tone feature also offers you convenience since this feature works by using the sensors to detect the ambient light around you and then adjust the color temperature and white balance accordingly. So let's imagine that you need to read something in your phone in a dimly lit room and then for some reason you need to go out under the sunlight. With this feature, you no longer need to manually adjust brightness and color temperature because the adaptive color tone feature will automatically adapt the display based on your environment and light condition. When the sensor in your phone detects that the light source is low, the display will automatically warm up, reducing harsh blues and creating a more comfortable viewing experience. While when the sensor detects that the light source is high, like when you are under the sunlight, then the display will instantly cool down and brightens up so that you can easily see what on your screen. Next, what are the benefits that you can get when you are using this feature? First, it can help you to reduce eye strain because using warmer tones in low light are easier on your eyes, especially at night. Second, you will get improved readability because color tone in bright light make text and images sharper and easier to see. Third, you will get more natural viewing experience because the display will appear more natural with its capability to adapt to your surrounding. Fourth, if you are seeking convenience, then this feature is made for you because you are no longer need to manually adjust display setting when you are using your phone in different environments. And the last part, you can easily turn this feature on your phone and then enjoy all the benefit that came with it. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to adaptive color tone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Alternatively, you can also enable this feature through the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen with two fingers to open up the quick panel. Or if you have enabled quick setting instant access, you can open up the quick panel by pulling down from the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three vertical dot icon on the brightness adjustment bar. Tap the gray on off switch next to adaptive color tone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then tap done button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.